Welcome to vSkills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the top interview questions for business intelligence. So, let's get started. Question number 1. What is business intelligence? The answer is: business intelligence is defined as collective technologies, tools, applications, and practices for data collection. This helps in providing those data to the users for running the business or be a part of it. Further, the business analyst's reports are created and compiled using the business intelligence methods that help in making better decisions for the success of the business. Question number 2. What are the main objectives of business intelligence? The answer is: the main objectives of business intelligence are: firstly, business intelligence is best for making enterprise-level decisions. Secondly, it helps in identifying the wrong tracks and methods of a business. Thirdly, it can collect the data for analysis and then compile them for monitoring corrective actions. Next, it helps in determining whether a company is performing as per plan. Question number 3. What are some of the business intelligence tools? The answer is: the business intelligence tools used by business analysts are Tableau, SAS, Microsoft BI, Cognos, MicroStrategy, Business Objects, and ABE. Question number 4. What steps you will take for executing a business intelligence system in your professional method? The answer is: for executing a business intelligence system, firstly, pull out the raw data from the corporate database. The data may be available over many heterogeneous databases. After that, the data is cleaned to put in the data warehouse by associating the table and forming the data cubes. Then, by using business intelligence systems, business analysts can pull out the business insights, request ad hoc reports, analyze those clean datasets, and project the business decisions. Question number 5. What is OLAP? The answer is: OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing, which refers to a technological concept applied in many business intelligence tools and applications. This helps in executing complex analytical calculations. Moreover, it examines the trends, performs intricate calculations, summation, count, average, min, max, and performs advanced data modeling in a business intelligence system. Further, it is the main objective of reducing the response time of queries and improving the effectiveness of the calculated reports. Question number 6. What is online transaction processing? The answer is: online transaction processing systems can be considered as a huge collection of small data transactions like insert, delete, and update. These are operational databases that can produce fast processing of a query. Moreover, it also controls the integrity and consistency of data. Further, it acts as the number of transactions per second that helps in measuring the efficiency of an online transaction processing system. Question number 7. What are the advantages of business objects? The answer is: the advantages of business objects are: firstly, it is user-friendly. Secondly, it provides familiar business terms. Thirdly, it offers a graphical interface with a drag and drops feature. Next, it provides powerful reports in less time. Lastly, it has customized dashboards using the Application Foundation and Business Objects SDK. Question number 8. What is data warehousing? The answer is: data warehousing can be defined as a repository system used for analyzing and reporting data from many different sources and forms. These data can be accessed from the Oracle database, SQL Server, Postgres, or a simple Excel sheet. Further, the warehouse uses one central mechanism repository using which the business analyst can get all historical reports linked with that data. Question number 9. What are the features of the data warehouse? The answer is: some of the features of the data warehouse are: firstly, a data warehouse refers to a separate database responsible for storing historical information records. Moreover, it is kept separate from an operational database. Secondly, a data warehouse helps in making top management strategic and tactical decisions depending on the analysis by processing and analyzing the data. Thirdly, data analysis in the data warehouse helps the business analysts and users to see the present business trends. Lastly, a data warehouse is also responsible for combining historical data analysis. Question number 10. What are the advantages of using business intelligence systems? The answer is: some of the advantages of using business intelligence systems are: firstly, business intelligence systems help in increasing productivity and make it possible for generating a business report with just a single click. Secondly, It increases the visibility of the data analysis and identifies those areas that request attention. Thirdly, it helps in setting accountability. Lastly, it automates many tasks by providing predictive analysis, benchmarking, modeling figures, and statistical calculations using different methodologies. Question number 11. What are the disadvantages of business intelligence systems? The answer is, some of the disadvantages of business intelligence systems are: firstly, business intelligence systems are costly. That is to say, using them for small and medium-scale enterprises will be expensive. Secondly, executing business intelligence systems for the data warehouse is complicated. Question number 12. What are aggregates? The answer is, aggregates can be defined as a form of data found in the aggregate table. However, for calculating these aggregates, many aggregate functions like min, max, count, average, and more are used. Question number 13. What do you understand by the term granularity? The answer is, granularity informs us about the level, high to low, of information residing in the table. However, the lower the granularity is, the low-level information it contains. Question number 14. What is join and what are its types? The answer is, a join is a way of combining records from multiple tables. A join requires common fields between the two tables in order to form a logical connection and is the basis for combining different data sources and an integral part of data analysis. Some of the types of joins are equijoin, outer join, theta join, and shortcut join. Question number 15. What do you mean by ERP in business intelligence? The answer is, ERP stands for Enterprises Resource Planning. This is important in business intelligence. That is to say, it is used for forming one single system which integrates both the data and the processes of an organization. Further, this can be considered as a combination of software, hardware, and database that is capable of storing data in different functions according to organization divisions and needs. Question number 16. What do you understand about supply chain management in terms of business intelligence? The answer is, the increase in demand for products and with limited ability for raising the price was already a challenge for retail enterprises in a competitive market. So, for overcoming that, supply chain management is the key secret of every successful manufacturing company and is not limited to manufacturing companies only. Supply chain management is used for defining business strategies and operations. However, using supply chain management, manufacturing companies builds a strong relationship with their customer, so that they can deliver high-quality products at the right price and on time. Further, it also helps in performing consistently. Question number 17. What do you mean by repository? The answer is, the repository refers to the database which contains information about the users and data. This is built and maintained by the general supervisor. Moreover, it is used for sharing resources of business objects. Further, it has 3 domains. First, universe domain. Second, document domain. Third, security domain. Question number 18. What do you mean by e-commerce in terms of business intelligence? The answer is, e-commerce refers to electronic commerce, that is the process of buying and selling products or services over the electronic medium like the Internet. The e-commerce system is a combination of the online transaction process, SCM system, inventory management system, ED system, online banking system, and data collection systems. The basic medium of e-commerce is World Wide Web. However, the business intelligence implemented in e-commerce websites helps in increasing sales. This can provide all the information related to the product availability at the single spot, an easy-to-use interface, flexible payment procedure, the attractive schemes of vendors and many more. Question number 19. What is data drilling? The answer is, data drilling refers to the technique for transforming the data and extract the needed information from the database, or data warehouse, by executing various operations in relational, tabular, or multidimensional data. Question number 20. What do you understand by a data drill-in and drill-up? The answer is, these both refer to the techniques for navigating between levels of data, where the data drill-in technique is used for navigating from the most summarized data form to the most detailed data form, and data drill-up is used for navigating the most detailed information to the summarized information. Question number 21. What is an executive information system? The answer is, An executive information system can be considered as a tool used for providing summarized and consolidate reports about ongoing transactions inside the organization. Moreover, the ICE provides the reports in a graphical interface and is planned for improving the quality of strategies that are used to scale up the organization's growth by higher-level management. Further, it comes with various techniques for extracting, processing, transforming, and presenting the data in the form of graphical reports. Question number 22. What do you mean by KPI and what are its features? The answer is: the key performance indicator is a technology that uses a metric calculation for measuring how well an organization performing both individually and as in a competitive market. This also calculates the strategic, tactical, and operational performance which is critical for the current and future success of the organization. Some of its features include: first, actionable align with business goals effectively. Second, improvement of one measurement of the organization doesn't hamper the other measurements. Question number 23. What do you mean by Business Intelligence Dashboard? The answer is: Business Intelligence Dashboards include three components. First, operational. The operational dashboard provides information about failed extract, transform and load. It also creates a report about the database. Second, technical. It is used for measuring the individual user growth within an organization. This also analyzes the user utilization of the new subject areas. Third, strategic. It measures the team goal, mission of the organization, and how well it is achieved. It is also used for measuring the corporate vision and user satisfaction. Question number 24. What is dimensional modeling? The answer is: dimensional modeling is used for designing a data warehouse and supporting end-user queries. The dimensional modeling uses the two main concepts. First one is fact and another one is dimensions. The fact also refers to measures that are typically numeric values, and dimensions refers to a group of descriptors that defines facts. Every phase of dimensional modeling results in some metadata that can be used to identify what is exactly present in the data warehouse. Question number 25. What are the steps used for building a dimensional model data warehouse? The answer is: in dimensional modeling, the facts are encapsulated with a star-like structure of dimensions. This process covers four steps used for building DM-based data warehouse. Firstly, identifying the business process. Secondly, declaring the grains. Thirdly, identifying dimensions. Lastly, identifying facts. Question number 26. What are the techniques used for data architecture design? The answer is: some of the techniques used for data architecture design are: first, unified modeling language. This is a powerful language used for building an effective data structure from the organization's viewpoint. Second, data flow diagram. This is the graphical representation of a system that defines the input and output of the data from the system and database. Third, use case diagram. They are used for defining the actual group of users as well as the access level of each user. Question number 27. What is data partitioning? The answer is: data partitioning refers to the process of grouping data that represent an approximate collection of data elements based on the similarity of elements or distance. Identical clusters have zero distance or dissimilarity, whereas all other clusters have positive distance. All the elements grouped into a cluster share some similar property or characteristic. The criterion which defines the characteristic is totally dependent on the implementation process. Question number 28. What do you mean by confirmatory data analytics? The answer is: confirmatory data analytics deals with the already existing methods, theories, or hypotheses. The major objective of confirmatory data analysts is to prove the pre-existing theses, models, or theories either true or false. These analytics are heavily relying on probability models and must be open to all the untested assumptions. The outcomes of such analytics are a specific answer to the specific question. Question number 29. What is exploratory data analytics? The answer is: exploratory data analytics deals with the new features of data to discover and implement new methods, theories, or hypotheses. The major objective of exploratory data analysts is to introduce new models, theories, or hypotheses. In this, the data analyst doesn't require any assumptions. These are based on data calculations without any preconceptions. In actuality, exploratory data analytics tries to remove the assumptions from the confirmatory data analytics technique. Question number 30. What do you understand about qualitative data analytics? The answer is: The data analysis from non-numeric forms like images, videos, audios, documents, notes, or interviews comes under qualitative data analytics. Qualitative data analytics usually require the involvement of people or organizations and their symbols, activities, signs and more. They load with meaning. The major objective of qualitative data analytics is to create understanding or result in some form of interpretation from the data collected. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.